was 20,
27, 24, 28, 30. So yeah, anywhere in here. I'm down to just fish for a bit.
Yeah,
so maybe we get a bite or any sort of mark. Because it's quite nice.
Unless you want, I'll set the shack, but I'm good with it.
I'm good without it for now. And like I said, if we get on them, we might as well set it up.
Yeah,
and have a home base. But for now, it's nice enough out. We might as well just hop around for a bit.
We are out here today pike fishing. Probably get onto some crappie if we can, but I'm gonna try a little bit of an unconventional way. Well, to some, they might be used to using these, but most wouldn't think of using hot dogs. So I'm gonna try these hot dogs. They're kind of expired. They're seasoned, they're aged. We got some aged wieners here. We're gonna fish for some pike. And today I'm out here fishing with Andy Hunter. Andy's got an awesome Instagram page. Make sure you go check him out. A lot of smallie fishing on the St. Lawrence.
A little bit of everything, whatever bites, I guess.
Yeah, so tiny tantrum.
So yeah, we got the little baby tantrum from Frostbite. And then I've got that on a 29-inch ultralight. It's also from Frostbite. It's a Fantastic. And then Black Betty 60-61, not 61-60 like I always seem to think. It's an inline reel.
Andy's already been out ice fishing 3 or 4 times this week. I've been out 3 or 4 times this year. Just to show you how much he ice fishes and fishes in general. I'm gonna also go the Frostbite route. I'm gonna tie on this dinner bell, large size dinner bell, and put a big full size salted minnow on there. Let's do it. You know, I've never caught a big pike through the ice. I would love to make that happen. Big mark. Oh, on. On. Good one, good one. It showed up halfway in the water column. I think it's a pike. Oh, it just took a run. It's a good one. It's an okay one. It's an okay one. Best fish I caught all season if I land it. Don't speak too soon, Ben.
Yep. There's Sid.
Nice. Oh yeah, man. Thank you. You can drop him. Oh, that's awesome.
Perfect, bud. Right on. Yeah. That's a nice pike. No, nothing.
There we go.
That's right on.
That's awesome. Do you want to grab that camera for me, actually? That's already rolling. He's going to give me a kick in a second here. Look at that. That is awesome. First pike of 2022.
Freeze into the thing.
That's awesome. Great, okay, so I'll get it unhooked and then we'll get the release.
Yep.
Oh yeah, he swallowed that. Oh, I don't have my pliers with me. Oh, you got those forceps handy.
Yep.
Sweet.
Is that just on that little dinner bell?
Yeah, tiny one too.
Nice.
And a salty, actually.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
I just get done punching a bunch of holes and you're hooked up.
Nice little gator. All right.
Right on.
Okay, let's get the release on you. Yeah, you're going back, don't worry. You can just chill out. Okay.
Right on, buddy.
Thanks, man. Now let's get you on a fish.
Yeah.
So I went and grabbed my release tools. I should have had them on me. My bad. So I caught that pike on this tiny little dinner bell and a salted minnow. So I'm gonna upsize the dinner bell and keep it the salted minnow. Bam. Oh yeah?
Literally the same thing that happened to you. That bait is gone.
Not swallowed it.
It's gone.
Oh man.
Remember earlier when I said I run 6-pound test on my perch gear just in case?
Yeah. Next time, I'm only running over here if it's big.
Yeah. I could have let you know. Sorry, bud.
No, it's all good. I wanted to get up here and
that dinner bell over there.
get something close up anyways.
Here, we'll make them look big.
Oh, it's a giant. That's awesome.
Here goes the release if you want.
Do you want a photo first? Do you care?
Just grab a screenshot. That's good enough.
I can totally do that. Sweet.
All right, thanks, buddy, for making a mess.
Yeah.
You
figured it out.
Oh,
Awesome.
Skunks. No more.
Yeah, that's
no
awesome.
more skunk, bud.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're both on the board.
Yep.
Yeah. Wow.
That's why you get waterproof bibs.
For sure.
And that's why you spray them down even if they're already waterproof. Cumbersome.
Yeah, I got these little danglies.
Yeah, that's what that is.
See that? Hot dogs don't work. YouTubers, they're a bunch of liars.
What are you doing, Ben?
Oh, you know, just cleaning off the bottom of my sled. I wonder if this is because of the runners. Or if it's just the slush.
Probably just that slush was miserable.
It's ripping off here though.
It's breaking off nice though.
Oh man. Well, that was a good day on the ice. No monsters, but
No skunks either.
yeah, no skunks. Got slimed as well, so yeah, that was great. Make sure you check out Andy Hunter Fishing on Instagram. He'll be linked below, and you've probably already seen it pop up on the screen.
Awesome.
But yeah, check him out. We'll catch you later.
Peace out.